Hi, my name is Patrick, and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice in mindful test prep. And if you think it's high time you brushed up on the XY coordinate plane, I'm going to take out your brushes, because we're doing an ACT math question. This was question 18 from the math section of ACT 74H. Right there, you could pause the video, take a crack out of yourself, and then unpause and watch the explanation. See how you did. Could be good. So we're getting in there. It reads, in the standard XY coordinate plane, that is my favorite coordinate plane, the line represented by which of the following equations goes through 0, 7 and is parallel to the line represented by y equals negative 2x minus 4. Alright, talking about parallel lines. What do parallel lines have in common? Slope, right? That's how they do that fancy trick where they never intersect. So we want a line that has a slope of negative 2, because we got this line in y equals mx plus b form, m being the slope, negative 2. Let's see if we can cross off some answer choices. F, stays. G, stays. H, goodbye. J, see ya. K, no thanks. Alright, so we're down to 2, F and G. What else do we know about this new line? Well, it passes through point 0, 7. Where the x value is 0, that would be the y-intercept. So the y-intercept of this new line is 7. Again, we return to y equals mx plus b form. B would be 7. But positive 7, right? So the answer is not F, that says minus 7. It must be G plus 7. Nice. Cool. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe to our channel? Or go out there and try to draw 2 parallel lines. It'll take you very long, they go on forever. Good luck! If you have any questions about this or any other problem, feel free to hit me up in the comments below, or you can email me at prepmindful@gmail.com. In the meantime, my name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.